to clear. Emotions got me chasing you, dear. Sensations brought my brain oh so near. Why can't I just make my feels cohere? You just bring too much to the table. I know holding back is unable. Believe me when I say it is no fable. I wanna do more than just watch some cable. Holding back can't ever cut some slack. I just want to keep my feet on the grass. Everything about you is just too flawless. 10 minutes is long enough to feel a miss.
Coughing up feelings will make the chemicals cleaner. I hope you say it back so I don't feel so defeated. Those who don't believe in us can honestly beat it. Unless I told you this, I would be so weary. Due to how you're perfect in every sense of the word, I cannot see a world where I let my feelings burn. It's because of you that I made this rider driving tune. I pray you say it back so we can feel our bloom.
Due to how you're so beautifully mental, I can tell the two of us is something special. Hand in hand, arm in arm, I'll show you all of my charm. Possibility to wake up to human alarm.